In this video, I will show you how to earn $600 per day from Google by copy and paste method. The first place you want to come to is Google, and what you're looking for in the search bar here in listverse.com. One of the most popular article sites is a big. If you go to their site, we go here, you can see they do a lot of articles that are like 10 things you never knew about. Like a blog space, 10 interesting facts. Now the interesting part about all these unique articles on this particle website is that they are produced by specific users, by me, and you don't need to be an article or blogger now or any written skills, because Google Bard artificial intelligence is going to do all of these for you, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, and then I'm going to show you another way that will earn over $100,000 a year. We give it people. If we come here to write more and get paid, we can see that we can get paid $100 right now. Of course, I probably already explained this site to you, but today I will teach you more new ways. But you can earn $100 for just one article. All you have to do is submit your PayPal address or bank account and complete this submission. Right here, see the submission from you are going to put in your name or alias. You don't even have to use a real name, an email address, a PayPal email address, so they can pay you fast, and then you top 10 list article that need to be 502,000 word maximum. Before continuing with the video, be sure to subscribe us and press the bell button to stay informed about our tutorials. What we are going to do is go to Google Bard. Google Bard is better, in my experience, ChatGPT, and I'm going to show you why. So what we're going to do is just ask Google Bard to write AI technology. So we're going to say, can you write me a viral blog about a top 10 list? What it did was really said. That will make a viral top 10 list. I need some details on what topics you want to talk about. They actually gives us 3 topics to choose before we started writing the articles. That's why Google Bard is very amazing, because actually thinking creatively about anything, maybe you want to go for this, or maybe you want to go for this. So that gives you 3 to choose from, 10 of the funniest pet fails. I don't know which one would be a good article, maybe a good videos, but I'm going to pick the top 10 pets that are the most unique and unusual, that very interesting. Let's continue and let's take a look at the list top 10 breeds that make the best therapy pets. And one of the most popular pets is, especially now where people often work from home, they don't make many friends, so this is a great articles. It's going viral right now, so I'm going to post this article for this. You have to tell them top 10 breeds that have the best therapy pets per me, and then Google Bard, he continued to write articles. So a full essay is around 1,500 to 2,000 words. If not, you can just request that he prepare an essay for you, which is 1,500 words to 2,000 words writing. Continue. But now what we need to do is, you need to do is basically just copy this and go back into the submission and put it in here. We're just going to paste it right here, and at the end you agree to the terms. They'll review the article and then they'll pay you $100 for the article if it's deemed appropriate, or they'll let you know what you need to change something in the article. So that's just one way. Now there's another way that people make money. Now this YouTube channel here is actually taking this article and turning them into videos, and they use an artificial intelligence software to do it, and now they make about $9,000 a month and over $100,000 a year only by using an artificial intelligence tools. You can earn a lot of money. Another channel that I can give you as an example is Film Shorts 15, which is the dancing actresses of the top 10 grossing movies. So as you can see, they can nearly $4,000 a month and $55,000 a year. And what you want to do is convert Google Bard articles to video, but the platform you can use to convert articles to video is InVideo.io. When you log in, you can give the text of your artificial article with this platform and choose the video format. Then you can easily produce attractive videos. In this way, you can earn good money online using Google Bard artificial intelligence.